7 Powerful Home Remedies for Acne. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice scores many brownie points on the treatment front of acne. Just squeeze a lemon into a bowl and add a few drops of rose water to it. Apply this mixture with a cotton ball on the affected area such as the neck or the face. Not only will this prevent pimples from forming but will also help for glowing skin and reduce the appearance of scars. This is your one sure-shot natural way to keep control of acne and pimples. 2. Aloe Vera. This cool gel does wonders to your skin. Just cut an aloe shoot in half, scrape the gel out with a spoon, and apply it to the acne. Make this a regular ritual and say goodbye to bacterial infections and acne-causing inflammation. 3. Chamomile. Chamomile is another treasured ingredient that can be used to keep acne and pimples at bay. You can use this ingredient in 2 ways: empty the contents of a chamomile tea bag in a blender, add water and blend into a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your face. Alternatively, you can also boil 1 to 2 chamomile tea bags in 2 cups of water. Allow the mixture to cool and apply on your blemishes to have same positive effect on your skin. 4. Toothpaste. Your toothpaste can also come in very handy in treating acne and removing the scars formed by them. Just apply a little toothpaste on the problem areas and see the size of the pimples reducing in a few days' time. 5. Honey. This powerhouse of nutrients is also a good natural contender in treatment of acne and pimples. Apply a healthy serving of honey directly to the acne and allow it to dry. In an hour or so, wash off. The stickiness of honey helps in removing excess dirt from the pores of the skin. 6. Mint. Mint helps to declog the pores and helps to keep a check on bacterial infections. To help maintain an acne-clear face, mix about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh mint and 2 tablespoons of yogurt and oatmeal. Whisk to a smooth paste and apply to your face. Leave it to dry for 10 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. 7. Echinacea. Known to speed up the healing process, Echinacea also helps in controlling acne, pimples, and other skin infections. You can either use Echinacea tea as a regular face wash or apply a few drops of the tea on the affected areas with a soft cloth or cotton.